Hey guys, I'm Spencer, the president of the Cube Club. Welcome back to another tutorial. So this is video 3, where we'll be teaching you guys how to solve the second layer. So as you can see on the cube right here, the layers are solved. So like this part right here, the blue is right there and the orange is right there. So that's you have to insert it. Same with this one right here, the green and the orange, the green and the red, and the red and the blue. So that's your main step, and we'll be teaching you how to do that in this video. Alright, so for this next step, we're going to be using the Rubik's Cube tutorial. So at the end of this video, we'll post this picture right here for your reference. So what your next step is remember inserting, you want to make sure the middle pieces right here line up correctly. So what you want to do is you want to create a T shape. So after you solve this, the white, you want to flip the cube upside down. So the yellow is on your top. So what you want to do is look for a T shape. Like right here, this green right here has a T shape. And then what you want to do is look at the color on top. So the color on top of it is orange. So now you know that this piece, the green and the orange, has to go right here. Because that makes sense, because this is the green middle and this is the orange middle. What you want to do is insert this into there. So how would you do that? This is when you start learning algorithms, which is a series of moves which then help create and change the Rubik's Cube. So now for this one right here, you can see this is the case of this one right here, this top one right here. So you'd follow the sequence of moves right here, and then that's how you would insert the middle piece. So I'm going to show you and demonstrate it right here. Let's go that, put this one up, put that one over, put this one down, put it over, move the front, move it like that, and move the front back. So what you did right there is insert this piece right here. Now what you want to do is basically you want to do that for the next 3 pieces. So this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. So right here, this would be another example. Look at the color on the top, it's blue, and this is the orange piece. So now you know that this piece has to go right here because this is the orange middle and this is the blue middle. So what we want to do is do the same algorithm. You go this way, that way, there, down, away, move the front, move it over, then move the front back. So now you have this one. These two are both aligned correctly. Now you just gotta finish this one. You have to finish this one. So here's another example right here. This T shape right here. And the color on top is red. What you want to do is insert this into here because this is the blue and this is the red. As soon as you guys practice, you'll figure out that it gets easier and easier, but I'm just explaining it right now. So you gotta insert this into here. You go like that, up, over, down, away, move the front, move it back, and move it like that. Just like that. And now this last piece right here. As you can see, there is no red T. Remember, you can never line up with the yellow piece because that will not work because we're solving the white side first. So it has to be a piece that doesn't have yellow at all. So the only other piece is right here. This is green, so this green right here and the red middle on the top. So this piece has to go right here because the red, green middle. So this algorithm's a little different. So you move this, move it up, over, down, away, move the front face, put it back, then move the front face again. So as you can see right here, the middle layer is now completed. Thanks for watching the video. Alright guys, sometimes there will be a case where this right here, the middle piece, has to be flipped and it's already inserted, but you have to flip it the other way. What we want to do is just do it the right algorithm. So you go like that, up, over, down, away, front, put it back, and you put the front back. So as you can see, what I did is I took out this piece. So now what we can do now is create the T shape. This is the green T. Look at the color on the top, which is orange. So this piece has to go right there. And then do the same algorithm. Away, up, over, down, away, move the front, put this piece back, move the front. And that's how you complete that case. Thanks for watching.